It's believed the impact of the coronavirus on the Australian economy will be worse than the bushfires, with many of our biggest industries feeling the pinch because of the growing disruption across the world. Investors are increasingly worried about the potential of a pandemic. Global share markets have fallen sharply. In Australia, another $33 billion was lost today, after $51 billion was wiped from the market yesterday. Businesses are hurting as supplies from China dry up. Factories there have had to close their doors, with more than half the country's population in some form of lockdown. Business reporter Nassim Kadem looks at the growing financial impact.
The impact of coronavirus is being felt by businesses big and small. Maria Clayton runs a wedding dress shop in Melbourne's inner east. 90% of her designer dresses come from China.
We understand with the designers that have the factories in China, it's out of their control. I mean, this is something that's unprecedented.
The government's trying to paint the picture of a resilient economy, but it's clearly worried.
The impact will be more significant than the bushfires, and it plays out more broadly across the Australian economy.
And the Prime Minister's promised surplus could be in peril.
Hands up those who thought there was going to be a coronavirus epidemic when the budget was released last May. Of course no one did. These are unknown global shocks.
The tourism and education sectors pump tens of billions of dollars every year into Australia's economy. They were the first to suffer. Now the secondary impacts are being felt.
It's affecting the building industry. It's affecting the manufacturing industry. It's affecting our export industry.
Construction is one of many Australian industries that rely on Chinese products. And the virus has now spread to other manufacturing countries like South Korea, Iran and Italy.
Unless there's a change to this in the next few weeks, it is possible we will see a consequent effect on activity in the construction industry and on the jobs of construction workers.
In an already slowing economy, Australia could face a contraction or even a recession. Australian listed companies had lost more than $100 billion over 2 days before gaining back some ground this afternoon. It may be a blip on an otherwise strong performing share market.
The exact cost to businesses is yet to be determined. Several companies have forecast a profit hit. A spokeswoman for Coles says there will be shortages of non-food items such as stationery and clothing. And meat that Coles would normally sell into the Chinese market is being diverted elsewhere.
Maria Clayton's contingency plan could mean her mum sews the dresses that would normally come from China.
To make sure that they've got something that they can wear on their wedding day that makes them feel amazing and really happy.
In sickness and in health, the weddings will go on. Nassim Kadem, ABC News, Melbourne.